I have Hindi content, but this is not showing in Hindi in MS Word. So this tutorial is for all version of MS Word. So just opened this. You can see some words like this is showing in Hindi. Otherwise, it's showing like this. So how to correct it? You need to first of all open this MS Word and you need to go to this file option. Just press here, and after that you can see at the bottom options are showing. Just tap on this. After that you can see language is showing. Just tap on language. As of now my English language is enabled, so I need to add one more language, which is Hindi. I need to click on this drop down button and look for Hindi. So just need to select Hindi, click on this add button. So Hindi is now added. Just click on OK, and please restart your office so that you can language may take an effect. So click on OK and just close this and just restart the Word file once again. So after restarting it, you can see everything is now showing properly in Hindi language. So it is now perfectly showing fine for me. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and in case you face any problem you can mention that problem in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you a reply, and in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.